Welcome back to Sridevi's Plant Stories, where practical and science-based ideas are used to improve agriculture diversity. Today we are in the village of Garo Hills of Meghalaya to explore one more fascinating flowering edible plant species. It's also known as Oroxylum indicum or midnight horror. What if I told you there is a tree that blooms only after sunset, attracts bats instead of bees, and carries giant sword like fruits nearly a meter long? Meet Oroxylum indicum, popularly known as the Indian trumpet tree or the mysterious midnight horror. In the Garo Hills of Meghalaya, local people lovingly call it Kering. For generations, its tender flowers and young pods have been cooked into delicious curries and preserved as pickles, making it an important seasonal forest food. But Kering is much more than a wild vegetable. It is one of the 10 sacred medicinal trees of Dashamula. Dasha means 10 and Mula means roots in Ayurveda, and has been valued across Asia for centuries. Modern research has identified important natural compounds such as bicalin and oroxylin, which have attracted scientific interest for their remarkable health promoting properties. The species name indicum simply means from India, highlighting the Indian subcontinent as one of its native homes. Its common name, Indian trumpet tree, is easy to understand. The large bell-shaped flowers resemble the trumpet of a musical instrument, creating a spectacular display when they bloom. Unlike most flowering trees, Oroxylum indicum opens its fragrant flowers only after sunset. In the darkness, its pale blossoms appear on almost leaflet branches, while long sword-like pods hang silently from the tree. To people walking through forest at night, this mysterious appearance inspired different names such as Midnight Horror and Trees of Damocles.
At first glance, Kering may look like an ordinary forest tree, but a closer look reveals one of nature's most striking extraordinary designs. This tree belongs to the family Bignoniaceae. It is a small to medium-sized deciduous tree that usually grows 8 to 15 meter tall. One of its most striking features is its enormous tripinnate compound leaves. Each leaf can grow over 1 meter long and is divided into many smaller leaflets, giving the tree a lush, tropical appearance.
As evening approaches, the tree comes alive. Large reddish purple trumpet shaped flowers open only after sunset, releasing a strong fragrance that attracts bats and other nocturnal pollinators. By the following morning, most flowers have already fallen, completing their brief but spectacular display. After successful pollination, the tree produces one of the longest fruits found among Indian forest trees. These flat, sword-like pods can reach 30 to 90 centimeters in length and hang gracefully from the branches for several months. Inside each pod are hundreds of thin, papery winged seeds that are easily carried away by the wind, allowing the species to spread naturally across forest landscapes.
Every stage of its life, from giant leaves and midnight flowers to its remarkable hanging fruits, makes Oroxylum indicum one of the most beautiful trees of tropical Asia.
Oroxylum indicum is native to the tropical and subtropical forest of South and Southeast Asia. In India, it is widely distributed throughout the country except the arid western regions. It thrives in the Western Ghats, the Eastern Himalayas, and especially in the northeastern states, where warm temperatures and abundant rainfall provide ideal growing conditions. In Meghalaya, particularly in the Garo Hills, Kering grows naturally along forest edges, village woodlands, and river banks. Here, it is not just a forest tree, it is an important part of local food traditions, culture, and traditional medicine. Across many parts of northeast India, the tender flowers and young pods are collected and prepared as traditional curries and pickles. In Arunachal Pradesh, the flowers are cleaned and cooked with onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, and local spices to prepare a flavorful curry. Young pods are also sliced and preserved as pickles for year round consumption. Whereas in Garo Hills, the flowers are wrapped in banana leaves and placed over fire, then used to make curry.
These edible pods are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to local diets. Recent studies have also reported that Kering contains valuable flavonoids such as bicalin, chrysin, and oroxylin, compounds known for their antioxidant and health promoting properties. For generations, indigenous communities have transformed this wild forest resource into nutritious seasonal delicacies, demonstrating how traditional knowledge and biodiversity contribute to food and nutritional security.
Scientists have identified several important flavonoids along with many other bioactive compounds found in different parts of this tree. Modern research suggests that these compounds possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, liver protective, neuroprotective, and anti-cancer properties. These findings help explain why Oroxylum indicum has been valued in traditional medicine for centuries, although many of these uses continue to be studied in clinical research.
Around the world, different parts of this tree, including the roots, bark, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds, have traditionally been used to support the treatment of fever, cough, stomach disorder, diarrhea, arthritis, liver problems, wounds, and respiratory ailments. Many of these traditional uses are now being investigated through modern pharmacological research. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is known as Shonaka and is one of the 10 sacred roots that make up the famous herbal formulation called Dashamula, meaning 10 roots. For thousands of years, Dashamula has been used to support overall health and restore balance in the body. From ancient Ayurvedic texts to modern laboratories, Kering continues to bridge the traditional knowledge and contemporary science.
Despite its immense nutritional, medicinal, and cultural importance, Kering is facing an uncertain future. Across many parts of India, natural populations have declined because of habitat destruction, deforestation, overharvesting of bark and roots, forest fires, and poor natural regeneration. Regional assessment have classified the species as vulnerable or endangered in some areas, highlighting the urgent need for conservation. Recent research also emphasizes that habitat loss and increasing exploitation are major threats to its survival. Another challenge is its limited natural regeneration. Although the tree produces hundreds of winged seeds, only a small number successfully establish into healthy seedlings under natural conditions.
Kering can be propagated through both seeds and hardwood cuttings, making it suitable for conservation and cultivation. For best results, collect fresh, matured wing seeds, soak them in cold water, at 4 degrees Celsius for 24 hours and sow them in soil, sand, vermicompost in equal ratio. Fresh seeds germinate readily, while larger polybags produce healthier seedling with stronger roots. Superior tree can also be multiplied using hardwood cuttings treated with NAA 200 ppm plus IBA 3000 ppm. Cultivating Kering helps to conserve this threatened medicinal tree while providing long-term ecological and economic benefits.
Today, however, this remarkable species needs our care. By protecting natural forest, planting caring in home gardens, farms and community lands and promoting sustainable harvesting, we can ensure that these priceless trees continue to thrive.
Every Kering sapling planted today
Is an investment in biodiversity, traditional knowledge, food security and the well-being of future generations.
let us work together.
To conserve this extraordinary gift of nature so that its beautiful midnight flowers, nutritious fruits, and healing power continue to inspire the world for centuries to come.
If you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about the amazing plants of Northeast India. Thank you for watching.